Army Agniveer 2025 Result Live. How to check and latest updates Hindustan Times. The wait for the Army Agniveer 2025 results has everyone on edge, and here's why it's a big deal. These results will determine the future of thousands who dream of serving their nation. But here's where it gets controversial. There's still no official announcement on exactly when the results will be released. This uncertainty leaves candidates and their families in limbo, wondering where and how to check once the results drop. Let's break down the essentials you need to know about the Army Agniveer 2025 results and how to access them smoothly once available. First off, the Indian Army has confirmed that the results will be published only on the official website, joinindianarmy.nic.in. This is crucial because it means any other platforms or third-party sites claiming to have the results should be approached with caution to avoid misinformation. The Common Entrance Examination for Army Agniveer 2025 was conducted over a span of nearly 2 weeks, from June 30th to July 10th, 2025, across multiple centres. To accommodate India's rich linguistic diversity, the test was offered in 13 languages, including English, Hindi, and regional languages such as Malayalam, Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, Punjabi, Agniveer, Bengali, Urdu, Gujarati, Marathi, and Assamese. This multilingual approach is designed to give all candidates a fair chance, which is commendable but also sparks debates on standardization and fairness across languages. The exam itself was structured as an objective multiple-choice question, MCQ, test. Depending on the specific application category, candidates either answered 50 questions within an hour or 100 questions over 2 hours. This format is intended to test quick thinking and accuracy under time constraints, a method that some experts argue may favor speed over deep understanding. Now, when the results are finally announced, here's the step-by-step guide to checking them. 1. Head to the official Indian Army website at joinindianarmy.nic.in. 2. Look for the link labelled Indian Army Agniveer Result 2025 on the homepage and click it. 3. You will be directed to a new page where you must enter your unique login credentials, typically your registration number and date of birth. 4. After submitting your details, your results or the answer key will be displayed on the screen. 5. Carefully review the answer key to verify your responses. 6. It's wise to download and print a hard copy of your result for your records and future reference. But, and here's the part most people miss, holding on to a physical copy can be invaluable, especially when dealing with further stages of recruitment that may require document verification. To keep up with the latest information, it's a smart move to follow live updates and credible blogs that track every announcement related to the Army Agniveer 2025 examination results. This ensures you don't miss out on important notifications like official release dates and any public clarifications. As of July 23, 2025, no official release date or specific time has been provided by the Indian Army authorities, which continues to leave candidates anxious. This delay often raises the question, is the process intentionally prolonged, or are there internal reasons we aren't being told? What do you think? Is transparency about result announcements crucial for maintaining trust? To summarize the timeline and key points. The exam was conducted from June 30th to July 10th, 2025. The test featured multiple-choice questions in 13 languages to accommodate diversity. The results will be posted exclusively on joinindianarmy.nic.in. Detailed instructions for checking and downloading results will be provided once the results are live. Do you believe the current system of result announcements is efficient and fair, or could the Indian Army take steps to make the process more candidate-friendly? Share your thoughts below. This discussion is more important than ever to raise expectations for transparency and responsiveness in recruitment exams. After all, these exams shape the careers of many young aspirants eager to serve the nation. Physics Wallah, complete guide to affordable JEE and NEET preparation, India's #1 EdTech platform. Breaking. The Indian Army has just announced a landmark change. Every Agniveer applicant must now pass a thorough psychological assessment before even stepping onto the training ground. This bold move aims to ensure not only physical readiness but also mental resilience in what is arguably one of the toughest roles in service. But here's where it gets controversial. Some experts warn that such tests could be culturally biased or send the wrong signals about the value of traditional academic benchmarks. And this is the part most people miss. The evaluation covers everything from stress tolerance and decision-making under pressure to emotional intelligence and interpersonal skills, areas often overlooked in standard selection procedures. Let's switch gears and talk about Physics Wallah. If you haven't heard of it yet, Physics Wallah is an Indian EdTech phenomenon providing inclusive, step-by-step learning for students from Class 6 all the way through postgraduate studies. Picture a single platform where you can access detailed NCERT solutions, curated sample papers, previous NEET and JEE mains question sets, BitSat practice tests, and countless other resources. It shouldn't surprise you that over 3.5 million learners have signed up and more than 7.8 million people subscribe on YouTube, all praising the app with an outstanding 4.8-star rating. So, what truly sets Physics Wallah apart? It's their unwavering commitment to affordability and quality. Through flagship programs like Lakshya, Udaan, and Arjuna, they've broken down cost barrows, making aspirational careers in engineering and medicine achievable for students who once thought such dreams were out of reach. For instance, their concise formula sheets demystify complex concepts in chemistry, maths, and physics, while ebooks from eminent authors such as Rohit Sharma, R.S. Agarwal, and Lakshya Singh provide authoritative guidance. And here's the kicker. Physics Wallah isn't limited to national exams alone. They've gone the extra mile by tailoring materials for various state boards, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and more, ensuring that learners across regions receive content aligned with their own syllabi. Their expert mentors design a cohesive learning journey that blends cutting-edge teaching methods with budget-friendly pricing, truly democratizing quality education. Now, let's turn it over to you. Is the Army's new psychological screening a long overdue measure to build stronger, more resilient forces, or does it risk sidelining talented candidates with unfair biases? And in the world of education, are platforms like Physics Wallah the ultimate equalizers, or could they inadvertently deepen the digital divide? Dive into the discussion and share your perspectives below. Agniveer Recruitment 2025. Fitness alone isn't enough. New psychological tests mandated. Agniveer Recruitment 2025. A radical shift. Mental strength now as crucial as physical fitness. *** revolutionary update in Agniveer selection criteria ***. Photo source. Patrika. Imagine this. The path to joining the Indian Army just got significantly tougher. No longer can aspirants rely solely on their physical prowess. Mental resilience is now a mandatory criterion. In a groundbreaking move, the Army has introduced compulsory psychological testing to gauge the intellectual and emotional robustness of Agniveer candidates. Developed by the Defence Institute of Psychological Research, DIPR, a prestigious body under the Ministry of Defence, these tests aim to evaluate recruits' ability to cope with stress. This proactive step is designed to mitigate future stress-related issues within the ranks. *** the 15-minute online mental challenge ***. A concise, 15-minute online assessment has been crafted for this purpose. Initially trialed last year, the test has undergone technical refinements and is set to roll out in August 2025. The maiden implementation will kick off with recruitment drives in the Gwalior, Chambal, and Bundelkhand districts of Madhya Pradesh. *** How the process unfolds ***. Candidates who successfully navigate the 1,600-meter race in the initial recruitment phase will receive a mobile link to the 15-minute psychological test. Those who don't pass this mental hurdle will be disqualified from advancing further. *** Previously exclusive to officers ***. Interestingly, Psychological evaluations were previously reserved for officer candidates, NDA, CDS, JCO, etc. This marks the first instance where Agniveers are also required to clear this mental assessment. It's worth noting that the test format for Agniveers differs from that of officers. **** Why the emphasis on mental strength? ***. During a recent media briefing, Colonel Pankaj Kumar, director of the Gwalia Army Recruitment Office, underscored the necessity of this change. He emphasized that physical fitness alone is inadequate for an Agniveer. Mental fortitude is equally vital. This mandatory psychological testing ensures that recruits are mentally equipped to handle the pressures of Army life. But here's where it gets controversial. Some argue that this additional layer of testing might be too stringent. Is the Army setting an unattainably high bar, or is this a necessary evolution in recruitment standards? What are your thoughts? Do you believe this new criterion is fair and essential, or does it risk excluding otherwise capable candidates? Share your views in the comments below.